Hi, I'm Keith, and this is a user training video for the real estate edition of PlanPlus Online by Franklin Covey. In this video, we'll be discussing organizations, contacts, and leads. If you're logged into your account, you'll notice that there's an organizations tab, a contacts tab, and a leads tab. These are the tabs that we're referring to in this video. First, let's talk about the organization. The organizations tab is best used for keeping track of companies or other businesses or other associations that you want to track. Some examples of this specifically for real estate are real estate brokerages, title companies, mortgage companies, homeowners associations, nonprofit organizations. And just a note for those of you syncing from Outlook, the company name in Outlook will show up in the organizations tab inside PlanPlus. The contacts tab in PlanPlus Online is a place to keep track of the individuals that you work with. So some examples of this would be your clients, either buyers or sellers will be listed here, other agents that you might work with, affiliates, friends, family, sphere of influence. Those will all be listed under the contacts tab, and that's where you'd create them. Again, synced records from Outlook will show up in the contacts tab. Make sure and check your public versus private view to make sure that the view has those enabled. The Leads tab is a place, though not often used by a lot of customers, it's a place where you can keep track of cold leads who have not yet indicated an interest in working with you. These records can be promoted to organizations or to contacts or opportunities once they indicate an interest. So the best use of this would be for things like purchase list or for sell by owners or title company data where you want to load those records in there and then perhaps have somebody call against those records and see if there's an interest. Once there's an interest, you would want to promote those records to becoming organizations, opportunities, or contacts. Again, so here's a quick summary. Organizations are companies or businesses. Contacts are the individual people. Leads are best used for cold prospects. The relationship between these record types, organizations and contacts, can be linked together. To give you an example of how this linking occurs, I'm going to go to the Organizations tab. I see that I've got Coldwell Banker. I'm going to look at this Coldwell Banker record, and you'll see that I've got a tab that says Relationship. Now, under that Relationship tab, I've got Sam Sampleton. And over here to the right on that tab, I can actually add other contacts and create other relationships. Now, because this is a relational type database, I can click on Sam's name, and now I'm actually viewing the contact record for Sam, but you can also see the linked relationship to Coldwell Banker. So contacts and organizations can be linked together. Now, leads can be converted to contacts or to organizations. To give you an example of how to convert leads, here I am under the Leads tab. You see I've got a couple of leads I've entered in. I'm going to go ahead and look at this one, Anthony Perry, buyer lead. Now on this lead, I can edit the information, I can add notes, all that good stuff. Now when I'm ready to convert it to an actual contact or to an organization, I can go ahead and do that. Now the reasons for converting something to a contact, there's additional functionality available for the contacts. Just an example, you can sync contacts to other data sources as well. So when it comes time to convert it, I can convert it to a contact. It's either going to merge it to an existing record. It's looking at both the name and the email address to help me choose which one to link it to. And I can have a choice to delete this lead after conversion or not. Alright, this is the end of this video. If you have some more questions about opportunities and the other record types, please watch for those videos as well.